St. Jago High School team. In fact, the winning team today, but unfortunately failing to advance on the away goal rule. Coach, just speak to us about the general feeling within the camp right now.
I mean, it's a tough one. We won a game today and it's a loss. But I mean, all is not lost right now. I mean, the guys, they have really proved themselves today. I mean, Jago has presented itself to Jamaica once more. And we're here to stay. We have the future with them and we know that it's going to be a bright future.
Alright, coach. Obviously coming into today's game, you guys would have been down 1 goal on aggregate, but 2-1 down. Please speak to us about the last game. What transpired in that game at home?
I felt that in the second half their legs went. It was a tough season. What we did, we recuperated them for the few days that we had off. A lot of massage and a lot of physiotherapist, and hence today was a much better game. I'm really proud of them. We have the knockout to go after. I mean, a lot of people call it the Losers Cup, but it's a cup worth winning. And I can tell you, any cup worth winning, we're going to go after. We have senior players that is leaving, that needs a trophy, and we have the young kids that want to start off their career with a trophy. So we're going to go after this good Walker Cup that everybody's feeling.
Alright, coach, coming to today's game, speak to us about how you would have felt though being 1 goal down. Speak to us about the team spirit coming into today's game.
This is St. Jago. We're never down. Never down. We're athletes. It's a school of education and athleticism. And we planned it. We wanted this win. Unfortunately, Tudor went down, as you guys said. It lost the momentum of the team. But hey, I give us an A+.
Alright, coach. And lastly, I want you to speak to us about this away goal. You know, it's a very controversial thing. UEFA recently have done away with it. What are your thoughts on it?
Done away with it. I mean, we would have wanted that today for them to done away with it, but it's here, and until ISA's changed, I mean, they're upgrading themselves yearly, and we have to give them kudos for that. So until they change it or they continue with it, we just have to work with it. It's still competitive no matter what, because if we had found the second goal, they would know how to find a goal. So it's here, so we're going to just work with it until it's changed. But would have wanted to disappear today though.
Alright, coach, and does anything change? Do you think your players are going to be dejected considering that you still have more football to play, or will St. Jago's spirit still be high and will you guys still be motivated to continue playing good football?
St. Jago's High School has never been dejected and will never be dejected. We are spirited, we are welcome, and we are ready.
Alright, coach.